Dear students, today we are going to learn how we are going to make the alcohol, and the chapter name is alcohols, phenols and ethers. My name is Hanuman Singh. I am your chemistry mentor. So first of all, you have to start the esterification in which alcohols plus carboxylic acid. This is bearing the OH group and this bearing carboxylic group. In the presence of H2SO4, when alcohols and carboxylic acid react with each other, it gives out the esters. Now we are just talking about the formation of alcohols. So this is very important reaction, Dow reaction, in which you are going to react with the chlorobenzene plus sodium hydroxide, and you are just giving the to 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere pressure. After that, you can get the sodium phenoxide. This is sodium, and this structure is known as phenoxide. And you have to add HCl, and in presence of HCl, it gives out the alcohols. This is phenol because this structure is known as phenyl group, and this is known as al group. So this is phenol. Another chapter through which we can make the alcohols, that is known as Reisig process, in which you have to take the two molecules of the benzene plus 2 HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, and oxygen in presence of CuCl2 and ferrichloride, it gives out the chlorobenzene. This is benzene and this is chlorobenzene. One further react with the H2O in the presence of SiO2 at the temperature of 500 Kelvin, it gives out the phenol. So these two methods are very important to make the alcohols. Thank you. Students, this is very important reaction for the purpose of the examination. This is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation का मतलब होता है, alkylation means this methyl group going to attach with this benzene ring. This is the main things. Here you can watch, this is the phenol. Yeah, one hydroxybenzene. When it is going to react with the methyl chloride, this is methyl group, this is chloride. In presence of anhydride ammonium trichloride, it gives out the orthocresol. You starting the reaction naming from this one 1 2 3. Here you can see that this is methyl group is attached on the O. This is also known as orthocresol, and the name is 2-methylphenol. You know that you are watching here that methyl group is attached with the second position of the benzene ring, so it is naming just like 2-methylphenol. And here the methyl is attached at the fourth position. This is known as ortho, meta and para, paracresol or 4-methylphenol. So this reaction is this is phenol, and this is methyl group going to attach at fourth position of the benzene ring, so it is known as 4-methylphenol. In the second most important reaction, you can watch here that is persulfate oxidation. Oxidation means to attach the oxygen. This starts from the phenol, and this is potassium persulfate in alkaline medium. Alkaline medium means in the presence of KOH, it gives out the catch call, and you are watching here that this is phenol, and another all group is attached at the second position of the ring. So it is 1 2 dihydroxy benzene plus 1 4 1,4-dihydroxybenzene. It is also known as the quinol, and it is very effective medicine for the malaria. Dear students, this is the most important reaction. Ah, this is the most important reaction. This is known as the Fries rearrangement. It is also known as acetylation. Means acetyl group is acetyl group is going to replace H of the phenol group. Here you can watch that this H is replaced by acetyl group, and we can find the derivatives of the phenol. So first of all, we have to know that this is the known factor, this is the known phenol, and when it is going to react with the acetyl chloride, this is acetyl group, this is chloride group, this is acetyl group, chloride, in the presence of pyridine or sodium hydroxide, it gives out the phenyl acetate. This is phenyl group and this is acetyl group plus HCl. Here you can also watch, this is a phenol. When it is react with the acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine or NaOH, it gives out the phenyl acetate. Phenyl acetate plus acetic acid. And if we are talking about the Fries rearrangement or acetylation, this is the special rearrangement of the phenyl acetate. It is also known as the Fries rearrangement. Here you can watch that this is the phenyl acetate in presence of anhydric aluminum trichloride. Rearrangement takes place, and you can find orthohydroxy acetophenone, and here you can watch it separately that this is the hydroxy group, this is phenyl group, phenol group, and this is aceto group. Then we can combinedly call it para hydroxy acetophenone. Now we are going to discuss about the Riemann-Tiemann reaction. This is very important reaction. Here this is started from the phenol. In presence of chloroform CaCl3 plus aqueous sodium hydroxide, it gives out an intermediate sodium benzyl chloride. When we are going to further, it react with the sodium hydroxide and acidic medium, it gives out the salicylaldehyde. So phenol ultimately gives salicylaldehyde, and this reaction is known as Riemann-Tiemann reaction. While in case of, this is very important reaction also, this is Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. It is also started from the alcohol. In presence of sodium hydroxide, it loses water molecules and gives sodium phenoxide ion. This is an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. It is very reactive in comparison of phenol. When it reacts with the weak electrophilic reagent, this is known as carbon dioxide. In at the 400 Kelvin, 4 to 7 atmosphere, it gives out the phenyl. It gives out the phenyl sodium carbonate. This structure is known as phenyl. This is carbonate CO3 and is sodium. This is known as phenyl sodium carbonate, and when goes further rearrangement, it gives out the sodium salicylaldehyde. Sodium, sorry, sodium salicylate. And when we are going to acidify it further, it gives out salicylic acid. and it is also known as the 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Benzoic acid means if you are going to remove this OH, it is just like this structure. This is benzoic acid. So in the last we find the salicylic acid. So first of all, we have to summarize that in Riemann-Tiemann reaction, phenol change ultimately into salicyldehyde, while Colby-Schmidt reaction, phenol ultimately change into salicylic acid.